erosion we are talking about. So in other words, certain structures, certain bodies have a tendency to absorb heat and radiate heat. When they are not absorbing it, they start radiating it to the surroundings. That means you are part of the surroundings. In the daytime you have the sun heating you, in the night time all the rocks will be roasting you. This is the situation, and you will be forced to run the AC at a higher level. In Bangalore, same thing happened. Bangalore had a high tree cover. It was difficult to sell fans in the 80s and 90s at Bangalore. Today the demands of fans are highest in Bangalore. It was very difficult to sell fans in 1980s and 90s in Bangalore. You see the companies, sales of fans in Chennai highest, Bangalore lowest. It is now reversed. Okay, all because of this type of issues, and all linked to the trees and tree cover. Okay, now if you see the real city, this is a beautiful point. A city requires a green cover. Green cover has an impact on biodiversity, quality of life, etc. Whether you should have 5%, 10%, 30%, 100%. And a lot of interesting study has happened in this sector. One interesting study has come from City of London. They have divided City of London in multiple pockets. They divided that somehow arithmetically they found that they divided certain areas less than 30% as A, and they which has more than 30% green cover as B. And then they tried to find out what is the difference between the people's behavior and what are the quality of life of the people in A versus B. They found several interesting points, out of which one of the most interesting point was this. Can you make a guess? Very interesting object, very interesting points. The people living in sector A, which has got a less than 30% green cover, actually had more doctor bills per year. The quantum of money spent on doctors was much higher than the B. It was significantly different. B was much lesser, A was much higher. In other words, what is the interpretation, sir? That is, all of us who are buying congested space, which doesn't have that green space, what we are trying to do? We are initially saving money and immediately within 3 years giving it away to the doctor. That's all. And you in fact pay much more than to the doctor than what you support. This is what but the excellent, it has come from London, so we go to the London example. It's pennywise and forthcoming.
It's bad for doctor.
Okay. So in other words, doctors first, the job of a doctor is to make us self-confident. In fact, their objective is achieved. When asking this, main purpose is that.
He has to reduce from 30 to 20%.
Okay, coming back to friends. So, by empirical figures, it has been found a city should have a minimum 30% income. And it has a tremendous impact on the quality of life of the people and health of the people. And you will find advanced cities have really excellent targets. Believe it or not, a city like all the European countries and Singapore has got 49% green cover. There's a statement of the Prime Minister says 49% and is aiming for 55% green cover. The positioning of Singapore is, say in Bangalore we call it garden city. Yes, in the positioning of Singapore is slightly reverse, opposite. It is a city inside a garden. Just see the difference. Garden city was city inside a garden. So that is the beauty of positioning of Singapore. The whole Singapore is beautifully designed in such a fashion. Already you got 49% green cover. I will go into the percentage green cover in the next slides. So in other words, you really take an aerial map of a photograph of Google map or Google figure, or take a shot from a plane. You will find the percentage area covered by blue bodies and green bodies must be more than 40%. Anything taken a blue body or a water body or a green cover is taken as same. So friends, this is what India needs. Pockets of excellence. Okay. Let me, I don't know, I'm not, please do not see me as a bias person. I want you to, this is education session going on between both of us, and for me also learning, you also learning. The green cover has got a tremendous value in terms of that space. New York City, the oldest city in the world in terms of modern, if you compare the modern practices, etc., New York City is the oldest modern city. Okay. New York City was a Manhattan, that's why they called downtown, midtown, south, all these concepts came. And the entire thing has become a culture in the entire US. First to develop was the downtown, then midtown, then there was a lot of space and they made what is called Central Park. They initiated the concept of Central Park with 60 acres of land. middle of New York, they created a 60 acres of garden. All native species, etc., beautifully done. And immediately, the land price adjacent to the park went 10 times, 15 times. Now, let me, from New York, I dive back to reality in Hyderabad. You just imagine the space of Hyderabad which has got high market value. And you see the percentage of green cover. Example, Jubilee Hills and Banjara Hills. Jubilee Hills, because when if you see, randomly ask in all the Jubilee Hills fellow, Banjara Hills fellow, why you are there in Hyderabad? There is a high possibility, one in top 5 reasons is KBR Park. Why I mean here in Hyderabad, that why, what portion of it I enjoy in life, if you ask him, give him 5 options, definitely one of the options will be KBR Park. Because that area of 600, whatever the acres are, it's a very significant income. And it assures you the water table, it assures the green cover, it assures the oxygen, many things. And you love to be there. Okay, so coming back, friends, what I am trying to say is there's a minimum, it is our responsibility, because the 30% green cover is under our responsibility. It's very easy to blame the government, very easy to blame the developer, etc. So, we are coming back to this 30% green cover. Next. No, sorry, let me go back to the old slide. Okay. Now the question comes is this, using the word theoretical, okay, for the time being. What is the best theoretical green cover you can have in a city? How much percentage theoretical green cover you can have in the city? You make a wild guess. I leave it to you. And we need to have guesses because we need to be lively.
30%.
So already proven, sir, 49% is proven in
85% is what I expected.
Yeah, minimum requirement 30. Singapore is already proven at 49.
85 is what I expected.
85 years.
60,
60, 85.
Almost 100.
They targeted for 55, it can be 75.
Okay. Okay, friends, at least somebody has touched 100 figure. Okay, as well, theoretically it is possible to cross more than 100%. How it is 100%, I will explain to you. Okay, let me go through this presentation now. Now, you are constructing a project or constructing a building or a factory, what will be the? You can have a garden around it, you can have a green cover around the building. Not only around the building, you can have it on the top of the building also. So you are completely covered with the gardens surrounding the building and you have covered the roof also. Minus these white spaces and the roads, etc. You cover it, that will be 5% and 3%, etc. So theoretically, by these two simple measures, you can get to a 90% green coverage. Please remember, fantastic things can be done. Okay, I have only shown a green roof. Make it simpler for you. You can have complete horticultural practices. You can have complete food generation. Later on I saw some of the slides. Fruits can be grown there. You can invite birds, butterflies, everything, whatever possible that can be done, provided you are willing to do. Okay. Now I will cover the ground floor, bottom, the floor area, and I have covered the top. So theoretically, this alone can even get you to 90 to 100%.